Hello, it's Alex, and today we're painting Chameleon Skinks from the new Warcry expansion, Sunderland of Fate. So as you can see, I've got a primer of Mechanica Standards Grey and Grey Seer. So we're mainly using contrast today. We literally use then shade, some Lanyon Median, and then one actual Citadel base paint. But here firstly I am applying contrast Imperial Fist. I'm applying it to most of the body, just not the back scales or the head. Now this yellow isn't the colour of the mini. This is just an undercolour for me to put on orc flesh then, and it kind of gives more of a greeny yellow skin tone. At first I was tempted to do a pure yellow skink, but then I changed my mind. I want to do more of a jungle themed one. So here I'm applying orc flesh over all of the white areas here, and then I do go on to apply it over the yellow skin, but not as heavily, so it's a bit more thinned down when it's over the skin. So here you see I've got this nice look. Now I did leave the face there blank. I left that as Imperial Fist, but that's already looking a bit more jungly. You got those natural kind of tones. You've got the more harder dark green colour there on the back, but then you've got like that nice yellowy green, then you've got that yellow face. So it helps the model pop, so I'm quite content with that. Hopefully you like that colour scheme. Of course you can change it up to anything you want. So here for like the bamboo shoot and the leaf, I used Plaguebearer Flesh. So I used that, and then after that, what I did, I then go on to use a thinned down version of Orc Flesh with Technical Contrast Medium, and then I go to apply that on lightly. And then it gives the bamboo more of a kind of yellowy, tingy bamboo colour. I'm no bamboo expert, but it kind of worked, I thought. So I'm content. Hopefully you like that. If you have better suggestions, suggest in the comments. Like, now's the time to share with me and others if you have a better bamboo recipe. But if you're here, take my word for it. So for the cloth, I used Wildwood contrast paint for like all the cloth. And yeah, what I like about this one, you can just apply it and one coat does the job. I didn't want to use snakebite leather. I thought the wildwood was just a bit darker and I wanted that more. And then for the rock, I used a watered down version of Black Templar with the Technical Contrast Medium, and I just applied that lightly. So then the only layer paint I used for this model was Retributor Gold. So I used it for the little doodly thing there, then the little bracelets on the arms, and then the skull, because I thought a golden skull is kind of Aztec-y. And now applying through the entire model is a Technical Lanyon Medium with none oil shade, and then you can do the base however you want. So here I actually, instead of using texture paints, because I didn't have time for it to dry, I thought I'd use some dried up corky rocks and stuff. You can buy it from any providers. You base your minis how you want to, but here I thought I would do it this way. And then what I've been doing lately, I added some pigments. I used the Vallejo European Earth just to break it up a bit, make it look not as flat. I put it around the rocks and worked it there into like the little fake rubble stones and stuff. And then I go on to paint the rim, and then you'll get to see the finished product. So I thought that was quite nice. It's like nice and simple, it's fast, it's efficient. If you're painting up 10 of these for your warband, you'll get a good result. I said, these won't win awards at painting competitions, but on the table, coherently, I think they look pretty good. I was quite happy with this Chameleon paint scheme. I said, I may in the future do a pure yellow one, but I improvised. I changed my mind halfway through when I was doing this paint guide, so now you've got a kind of dark green, then like a kind of greeny yellow ochely flesh throughout over. And then here's a picture of it a bit closer because my camera's not so good. So yeah, hopefully you get a better idea of that close up there. So thank you for watching. I said, I'm Alex, this is Alex Temps Tabletop. We talk about Warhammer, we paint, articles, all that jazz. If you like this video, then of course you're more than welcome to like, comment and subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. Thank you to the people on screen. They go the extra mile, £1 a month, get some rambly blogs and stuff with me, behind the scenes stuff. Just watching the video, to be honest, liking and subbing is just the amount of enough support I appreciate as well. So hopefully you enjoyed that. We will be covering be covering the other group from this set at some point, probably like in 2 weeks' time. Depends how time goes. But till next time, thank you for watching. I'm Alex, and well, yeah, this is Alex Tips Tabletop. Goodbye.